For today's DIY video, I'll be starting off with Dollar Tree trays. I'll be joining them together and marking the places where I'd like to cut them. And I'm using this book as my guide so that I can have straight lines on both sides. The cutout parts is going to be used for the base. I'm going to glue this together to make sure that they're all going to be standing upright and well balanced. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. I have two cutout trays here, so on one side, I'm going to be gluing on one tray. And when it's okay, and I see that it's well balanced, then I'll go ahead and glue the other one. I did not go all the way down, I stopped right here. I don't want these two trays to meet, so I'm going to have wooden blocks glued in between them. I'll be using 3 wooden blocks. The next block is going to be here to keep this closed, and I'll use a third block on the other side. Now I have the exact spacing that I need in between the trays. The sides here are going to be covered up with bling wrap. I'm going to be using the lip of the tray to cover up the edges at the top. I glued it in such a way that it would flow with the curves at the sides. I'll be filling up the tray in front and at the back with ornament balls. I'll be removing these parts here to keep it flat and easy to glue it to a surface. I'm simply just using hot glue to attach the pieces to the tray. I repeated the same thing to the back, and that's it. I have a beautiful vase made with Dollar Tree items. I really love how the cutout piece as the base gave it a unique look. I also love how the lip of the tray looks good here. For the next tray design, I'm going to be using a different tray, still from the Dollar Tree, and I'll be using just the lip of the tray for the vase. I used 3 of these trays just so I can get the perfect lengths that I need. So I'm going to cut them into different lengths and arrange them like this on a different tray. And then when I get the shape that I want for a vase, I'm going to trace out the top and the bottom and cut it with a soldering iron. I'll be using 2 trays, so I'm going to go ahead and make another piece that's going to look just like this one. Now I'm going to glue on the cutout tray pieces to the transparent tray. I made 2 of this, and I forgot to tell you guys that I actually cut out this top part here so that there will be provision to put in flowers. Because it's going to be hard to glue these together, I'll be using a soldering iron to connect both of the pieces where they meet, and then later I'm going to cover up the opening on the transparent tray and on the cutout pieces. I'll be using mirror tiles and cutting them into strips to cover up the transparent tray by the side. And I'll be using large crystal buttons at the corners of the opening of the cutout tray pieces. If you like, your transparent trays can actually look like this, and then the cutout pieces can be used for the base. This was what I used for a video that I posted not too long ago, but I would like to try something out with a paper towel holder. This is going to be the stand. I put a very little amount of Loctite foam inside and then just passed the paper towel holder through it. This is how the vase now looks, and it's sitting on a paper towel holder. All the vases that I've made look so pretty, and I really love how they all turn out. Now, this is what both of the vases look like together side by side. Thank you all so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button.